Oh, it's sunny on the other side. They're all for rent. But it's all for rent. Many are for rent.
Not for sale.
That one is for sale.
That looks like an Elizabeth. Look, everybody wants to eat with crème religieuse.
Yeah. Everyone. Yeah. You sell ice cream, you have to give people a place to sit. I'm sure that many people come here, but they don't tell their friend that they were in the Panne. They say they were in Adinkerke.
Oh, yeah. Probably right.
Excuse me?
What reason would you have a tattoo of a cow on your leg, like that girl?
If you're a son of a farmer or a daughter of a farmer?
She's like one of those Agnes beef guys. Tattooed.
Same style. Same style.
You can walk to those statues of those pets.
That's the plan here. That's where it ends. We can do all that. That's why you need the 10,000 steps now. When we go back and reach the end, we'll probably reach that.
Ja, ja. Go to the end and then you're back.
Yeah. Santa Elena.
When we were here last time.
Well, it's getting late, huh? People are now on the beach as well. So it's distributed and it's weekday. So you have to many have gone back to work or left their family here.
are already machined.
Yeah. Yeah. Window.
These are punched, these are punchy ones. And then all the rest is open.
Yeah.
All the different shapes.
Yep. And no shape is perfect. What do you read? You want me to take it with the proper camera?
Yeah, you still filming?
Yeah. Two ladies. I need something for
What do you need to
my
know?
eyes. I didn't get it. I think I would have at least one.
And do you see the heads in between the frame? Right? You need to stand so you see the frame and then the heads behind it.
Yeah.
Have you done that? Because why do you think I went on my knees? You have to bend down. Oh.
Want to put it down?
Yeah, which means you have to take. No, it's okay. I have it in.
But maybe you can still.
I have it with my. I have it on its.
Oh,
Why? I cannot do this.